Hello friends, welcome back to Simple Bappada YouTube channel. On this channel, we explore beautiful destinations, luxury hotels, premium resorts, and share honest travel experiences so that you can plan your trips with confidence. If you love traveling, staying in good hotels, and watching detailed hotel reviews before booking, then Simple Bappada is the right place for you. Today, we are in one of Thailand's most popular tourist destinations, Pattaya. Pattaya is famous for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, walking street, beach road cafes, Indian restaurants, shopping malls, and a wide range of hotels from budget to ultra-luxury. Pattaya is not just a party city, it is also perfect for family vacations, honeymoon trips, and relaxed luxury holidays. Choosing the right hotel in Pattaya is very important because a good location saves time and gives you the best overall experience. And right in the heart of Pattaya, surrounded by greenery and calmness, stands today's featured luxury property, Avani Pattaya Resort, one of the most popular 5-star resorts in Pattaya, located near Beach Road and Central Festival Pattaya, offering both city convenience and peaceful resort vibes at the same time. The moment you enter Avani Pattaya Resort, you feel a complete change in atmosphere. Outside, Pattaya is busy and energetic, but inside the resort everything feels calm, green, and peaceful. Tall palm trees, beautifully landscaped gardens, modern architecture, and tropical surroundings create a true luxury resort environment. The lobby is spacious and elegant, and the staff welcomes guests warmly with professional service and smooth check-in. One of the biggest advantages of Avani Pattaya Resort is its prime location. Pattaya Beach is just a short walk away, making it easy to enjoy morning walks, sunsets, and beachside cafes. Right next to the resort is Central Festival Pattaya, one of the largest shopping malls in the city, offering shopping, restaurants, cinemas, and entertainment. Walking street, night markets, Indian restaurants, and major attractions are also easily accessible. The rooms at Avani Pattaya Resort are spacious, modern, and very comfortable, designed for families, couples, and solo travelers. Rooms come with garden view or pool view options and include comfortable beds, soft pillows, balconies or large windows, work desks, seating areas, television, minibar, safe lockers, and excellent lighting. Bathrooms are modern and clean with premium toiletries and hot showers, and the soundproofing and air conditioning ensure peaceful sleep. Avani Pattaya Resort offers a wide variety of room categories designed to suit different types of travelers, whether you are visiting as a couple, with family, or on a leisure or business trip. The entry-level rooms are the Avani Garden View rooms, which face the lush tropical gardens and provide a calm, relaxing atmosphere. These rooms are ideal for guests who prefer peace and greenery while still staying in the heart of Pattaya. Next are the Avani Pool View rooms, which overlook the beautiful swimming pool area and are perfect for travelers who enjoy a resort-style ambience with a lively yet relaxed vibe. For guests looking for extra comfort and space, the resort offers Avani Junior Suites, featuring a larger layout, upgraded interiors, and a more premium stay experience. These suites are well suited for longer stays, honeymoon couples, or guests who want additional comfort. Some premium room categories also include enhanced amenities, better views, and exclusive access benefits depending on the booking type. Across all room categories, guests can expect modern decor, comfortable beds, private balconies or large windows, work desks, seating areas, well-equipped bathrooms, and high standards of cleanliness and service, ensuring a consistent luxury experience throughout the resort. Now coming to the room tariff, Avani Pattaya Resort is a premium 5-star property, so pricing reflects its luxury standards and prime location. During the off-season, room prices generally start from around 6,500 to 9,000 Thai baht per night for garden or pool view rooms, often with breakfast included. During the peak season, prices usually range between 10,000 to 15,000 Thai baht per night, and premium rooms or suites can go from 15,000 Thai baht up to 25,000 Thai baht or more depending on room category and inclusions. Special packages with breakfast, spa discounts, or dining credits are often available. Avani Pattaya Resort is surrounded by beautifully maintained tropical gardens that create a peaceful escape from the busy city outside. Tall palm trees, lush greenery, and neatly designed walking paths give the resort a calm, natural atmosphere. The garden areas are thoughtfully planned, making them perfect for morning walks, relaxing moments, or simply enjoying the fresh air. These green surroundings add a resort-style charm and play a big role in making Avani Pattaya feel like a tranquil oasis in the heart of Pattaya. The swimming pool is one of the highlights of the resort, surrounded by lush greenery and palm trees, creating a tropical oasis in the middle of the city. During the day, it is perfect for relaxing swims, and in the evening, the lighting creates a calm and romantic atmosphere. Poolside lounges and a bar make it an ideal place to unwind. Food is another strong point of Avani Pattaya Resort. The breakfast buffet is rich and offers a wide variety of international dishes, Thai food, Indian options, live egg counters, fresh fruits, bakery items, juices, coffee, and tea. The quality and taste are excellent, and Indian travelers will feel comfortable with the available options. Avani Pattaya Resort offers a truly delightful and well-curated breakfast experience that perfectly sets the tone for a relaxed holiday morning. The lavish buffet is served in a bright and spacious restaurant, featuring a wide variety of Asian, continental, and Western dishes. Guests can enjoy a live egg station preparing omelets, fried eggs, or scrambled eggs to order, along with crispy bacon, sausages, and grilled vegetables. For lighter options, the spread includes fresh seasonal fruits, yogurt, cereals, croissants, Danish pastries, toast with butter and assorted jams. Adding an Asian touch, there are Thai breakfast specialties, fried rice, noodles, and occasionally Indian dishes like paratha and vegetable curry, which are especially comforting for Indian travelers. The beverage section is equally impressive, offering fresh fruit juices, detox water, premium coffee, and traditional Thai tea. The resort also offers multiple restaurants and bars for lunch and dinner, serving different cuisines. For relaxation and wellness, Avani Pattaya Resort has a spa and wellness center offering Thai massage, oil massage, and rejuvenating therapies, along with a modern gym equipped with essential workout machines and facilities for business travelers such as meeting rooms and event spaces. Overall, Avani Pattaya Resort is ideal for travelers who want luxury, comfort, excellent location, and peaceful surroundings in Pattaya. Families, couples, and solo travelers will all find this resort suitable for a premium stay. This was a complete and detailed review of Avani Pattaya Resort by Simple Bappa. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment, and for more travel videos, luxury hotel reviews, and honest experiences, don't forget to subscribe to Simple Bappada YouTube channel. See you again with another exciting destination. Until then, keep traveling and stay safe.